and welcome to 10 News Network. Today we are at Ursuline Convent Senior Secondary School, Greater Noida, and we have with us Sister Rekha Puniaji, principal of the school. For any school student, the most important achievement and the first achievement is the passing of the 10th examination. And if the student passes this examination with a distinction, then that is a remarkable achievement. So, Madam, I would like to know how is the performance of your students for the class 10 CBSE examination this year?
Yeah, good morning, sir. Class 10th, we have all the students who have around 90% of the students have secured above 70% marks. And there are no failures, no compartments. And what we saw something very remarkable was the students who were most unassuming, who were not guessed about, but who were the silent workers, they were the outstanding students. And we have the highest marks scored by the students, 99%. And there are so many who have secured marks between 98 to 99%.
That's wonderful. But I saw, your result, CBSE result, and I saw is some students, in science, maths, they have got 100 out of 100. This is, I think, traditional. But I saw one more subject, that is artificial intelligence. And so how many, students? What is the performance rather, of your students if you talk about the artificial intelligence paper in class 10?
This is the subject we have introduced from 2 years, since 2 years now, this subject we have. And what we found is students are very much interested in artificial intelligence, as we have also introduced robotics lab. Coding is done by the students, and this is a very progressive subject, and also the marks are very satisfactory. The subject is very good. It is planned by the CBSE, practical as well as the theory paper, and around we have almost 16 students who have secured 100 out of 100 in artificial.
Wonderful. This is a big achievement indeed. So, you could talk about the class 10 CBSE result 2025. So, how has been the performance?
Is it about 12th exam also? It is quite satisfactory. Actually, what happens is, I think for this year exam, the CBSE had changed the pattern. It is almost 50% is objective type, and the pattern they are making now getting on the tougher side. But we are really happy and satisfied that our students are studying and coming up to the expectations of NEP 2020. And we have the students, the topper is 98.8%. The thing is, they have secured 100% marks in mathematics, political science and yoga. In these subjects, we have 100% marks scored by many students.
Yeah, that's a good. I think yours is a pioneer school, rather pioneer convent school, in Greater Noida, and you have worked hard, to take this school to the greater height, and particularly these achievements are significant because now you are, in the silver jubilee year. So I would also like to know, what kind of, counseling you are providing the students for chalking out their future academic journey.
See, like when the students are in class 9th and 10th, we provide them career counseling workshops which are undertaken by our own teachers. Aptitude tests, the psychometric testing is given to them, and mostly we try to match their natural gift with the stream they choose. And also the teachers, when the students are in 12th, they are also given a general overview of the various areas where they could launch into. So that way we prepared them.
Yeah. So when students achieve success, now the role of the teachers are very, very important. So and the CBSE is from time to time, CBSE is organizing capacity building program for the teachers. So I just would like to know, how many percentage of the teachers participated in any capacity building program of the CBSE.
100% teachers participate in capacity building programs, workshops which are held by the CBSE, because now it is mandatory also.
Yes.
From past many years, 50 hours of capacity building in service trainings they need to have. So every year the data goes to the board. We are lucky to say that our teachers, there are many teachers we have, they don't limit themselves to 50 hours. There are teachers who have also earned 90 hours.
Yeah.
So that shows their own interest and the dedication.
So this was Sister Rekha Puniaji, principal of the convent school, Ursuline Convent Senior Secondary School, and so they have achieved a good result for the CBSE class 10 and class 12 examination. And I would like to congratulate the 10 News team. Would like to congratulate all your students, all your teachers, and particularly the Commander in Chief, Principal, Madam Rekha ji. Thank you so much for talking to 10 News.
Thank you, Gajanan sir, especially for your media support
Yes.
and always the best wishes. We can always feel your good wishes, the vibes, and throughout we have an accompaniment.
Yeah.
And we are also truly indebted to 10 News because it is a media support for us which we can always reach up to. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.